This is a great time to be in the auto industry. We're going through a fantastic transformation, and electrification is driving a lot of change for us. It affects our vehicles, it affects our manufacturing processes, but the greatest thing is to be on Team Toyota.
I think the culture is the most exciting part of this job. We have a foundation of continuous improvement. We have a very structured approach to problem solving, and what makes all that happen are the people. Time and effort, that's the part that I like the best.
The biggest program that's had a great impact is our non-production energy reduction. And what we're trying to do is basically, if it's not in use, turn it off. But the reason why this one's so important is it's actually engaging the entire organization.
We have almost 9,000 people here, and it's not a program isolated only to our facilities management team. Every team member, from team member on the line or up to president, we're all engaged in that.
The Save on Energy programs, both the custom and the prescriptive track, allow us to improve the financial position of each project, allowing us to take projects that may not otherwise be implemented or delayed and implement them now.
The cost and the return on investment far exceeded my expectations. Basically low cost, almost immediate payback, and a significant reduction in energy.
So by 2035, we will be carbon neutral in our operations. And it's very important for us to be a part of an economy that considers the planet.
I think for me, it's like a point of pride for us and for the company. It's to be recognized that we're doing something to be mindful in managing our energy. It, I think, shows that us being a good corporate citizen.
Energy reduction, especially for large energy users, can be a daunting task. So start small, get some early wins, and then try and engage your entire organization.
It's a journey. It doesn't happen overnight. We started with data collection, we started with data interpretation, we blew that into investigations of energy audits. We started identifying opportunities, but I use this word very clearly. It's a team effort, and that's what makes this exciting.